We have to hide, right now. No, no, no! Come on. Tom, we're home. Come help with the bags. I know. I'll hide you. Shh, stay quiet now. Rex, you go hide. I will count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I am. Wow. Hello. Are you a kitty? You look funny. You are very fluffy. Are you lost? You have a boo-boo. Does it hurt? My mommy puts a bandage on my boo-boos. I can help you. You can be my secret kitty, but you have to be very quiet. My mommy says no more pets. Come on. No, no, you have to keep it on. It will make you better. I will call you Leo. You are a brave lion, like on TV. Are you hungry? I am hungry. Okay, Leo, I have juice. You don't like juice? Okay. Try this.
Hey, has anyone seen the last chicken breast? I was going to make a new sandwich. The Dad Special! It was going to be famous.
I haven't seen it. Maybe you already ate it and forgot?
I would never forget a Dad Special in the making, though. It's a mystery. The case of the missing chicken?
Shh, Leo. You have to eat quietly. We are secret agents. That's what best friends do. They take care of each other. Tom, can I come in? I need to borrow your blue crayon. No, I'm busy.
You can't be that busy. Ew, Tom. It smells like old socks and wet hamster in here. What is that? It's my new air freshener for boys. It smells like socks. Right. Well, Mom is going to make you clean this weekend. It's gross.
Good boy, Leo. Good boy.
Welcome back. Let's see how our contestants are doing on the scoreboard. And now for our next exciting challenge. Remember, every point counts toward our grand prize.
We interrupt this program with a local news alert. A lion cub is missing from the city zoo. The cub, named Simba, is only 3 months old and escaped after a branch fell and damaged a fence. Zookeepers say he is not dangerous, but is likely scared and hungry.
They are asking all residents in the suburban area to check their yards and sheds. If you see the cub, please call the zoo hotline immediately.
Suburban area to check their yards and sheds. If you see the cub, please call the zoo hotline.
Oh my goodness, a lion cub? Right here in our area? That's terrible.
A lion cub! Now that's a real adventure! Maybe he's on a secret mission. I'll go check the backyard.
He's scared and alone. Zara, make sure the back door is locked. I don't want any wild animals wandering in. Wait a second. Mom, have you noticed that Tom has been acting weird? He's in his room all the time. And the chicken that went missing. And the milk. I thought I just bought a new carton. And last night I heard scratching. I thought it was a mouse.
No lion cub. But I did find my missing fishing hat!
Tom, have you seen a kitty with spots? A really, really funny looking kitty?
No.
Tom, honey, are you feeling okay? You are very quiet.
I am sleepy. Can I go to my room?
Poor little guy. All this talk of lost lions must be scaring him.
I don't think he's scared. I think he's hiding something. Okay, that's it. This has muddy little paw prints all over it. And it smells like Tom's room.
What kind of prints? You think this came from Tom's room?
I am confident I have seen this before. Tom, I'm coming in to get your dirty clothes.
No, Mom, wait! I'll do it! Just 1 second.
What is that?
No, Leo! It's okay! It's just Mommy!
Tom, step away from it, slowly. What's going on?
Whoa!
Is that the lion from the news?
I heard a gasp! Are there dragons? Okay, not a dragon. That is a lion in our house.
His name is Leo! He was hurt! I was helping him!
Tom, where did you find him?
In the backyard. He was all alone. Please don't be mad, Mommy. He said I couldn't have a puppy. But he needed me.
So, let me get this straight. You found a lion in the backyard, you named him Leo, and you've been feeding him my secret recipe chicken.
He was hungry.
Tom, that's the cub from the zoo. His real name is Simba. His mom is probably very worried about him. Think about how you feel when you can't find mommy in the store. But he likes me. I'm his best friend. Honey, you did a very, very kind thing. You found him and you took care of his boo-boo. You were a wonderful friend to him. But he's not a pet. He's a wild animal. And he needs his real family. He needs special food and doctors.
She's right, buddy. We can't give him what he needs to grow up big and strong. Keeping him here is not what's best for him. It's like trying to plant a big tree in a tiny little flower pot.
But I'll miss him.
We'll all miss him. But doing the right thing is sometimes very hard. We need to call the zoo.
Will he be okay?
Yes, baby. You kept him safe until we could help him. Okay.
We can call the zoo.
You are a very brave boy, Tom. You kept Simba safe for us. His mother has been looking for him everywhere. You gave him back to her. It's time.
Meow. Here, Leo, so you don't forget me.
That's very thoughtful. We'll make sure he gets it. You saved him, Tom. You did a great thing today.
Good boy, Leo. Good boy.
Sometimes the right choice is the hardest one. Tom learned that being a real friend means doing what's best for someone else, even if it means saying goodbye. He helped a wild animal get back to where it belongs. That's a real hero.